The Broil King Deep Dish Grill Wok. The premium construction of the Broil King Deep Dish Grill Wok offers incredible durability and cooking performance. It's constructed from heavy-duty, high-grade stainless steel with an uncommonly deep design, offering more cooking space while keeping your food contained. The bottom of the wok has embossed square perforations for superior heat flow, durability, and cooking performance. The wok also features two oversized forged stainless steel handles for exceptional control when moving the wok on and off the grill. It's ideal for preparing roast vegetables and expands your grilling possibilities. The Broil King Deep Dish Grill Wok. Broil King. Do more with your grill.